Hello everyone and welcome back. As you know, we require multiple containers to store our food supplies. These containers play a crucial role in helping us to keep our kitchen organized and functional. Since our kitchen contains variety of food supplies like lentil, beans, rice, spices, grain, flour, etc. To store these supplies properly, we require right container. You would be surprised to hear about an interesting fact about your kitchen. This will shock you, but the fact is that your kitchen contains more than 100 or 150 containers. And if you try to figure out how much you have spent on these containers, the figure will definitely surprise you. You can see a huge variety of jars and containers available in market, and it's very difficult to choose the right one to suit your needs. While buying, it is important to make sure to spend money on right container that will optimize the storage and also give you value for money. So very first step is to measure your kitchen cabinets and shelves where you want to keep your containers. Measure your cabinets and shelf length, width and height wise. If your cabinet has adjustable shelf, then you need to decide what height you will be keeping it and measure accordingly. When we have proper measurement, we choose the right container and afterwards there won't be any problem to place them in the cabinet. When we buy containers without any measurement, it will be waste of money on buying too large or too small containers. You can place your containers in 2 to 3 rows if you have wide shelf. For instance, I have a wide shelf and other side I have some narrow shelf also. So in wide shelf I can place them in different rows. In this case, you can place them in ascending order, bigger containers backside, then medium and small in the first row. And when you choose right container and place them right, you can see that all the containers are easily visible, even the backside containers. You can also use some organizer to increase the height of the container which we kept in the last row. Although these containers are clearly visible, but still containers which has less contained, I need to remove the front containers to check the containers I kept behind. In that case, you label your containers in such way that without disturbing any container, you may see what is there inside the container. So it's always good to label your containers even if you are using the clear one. किचन में कुछ सामान ऐसा होता है जो हमें ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में चाहिए होता है एंड कुछ कम क्वांटिटी में. That's why you need to choose container according to the storage supplies like flour, rice, sugar we normally buy in large quantity. So इनके according इनके containers भी large size के होने चाहिए. I have few very large containers for storing wheat, flour, sugar, rice, etc. which I usually buy in large quantity. You can find variety of kitchen containers in MeraLink website. MeraLink online shopping website is perfect for buying various kitchen and household product at very reasonable rate. MeraLink will provide you free delivery, free cash on delivery and easy returns and replacement. Do check the website and avail many offers and discounts daily. You can also shop through WhatsApp link. I will be providing you product link in the description box below. When we talk about spices, we usually buy in very small quantity, so choose small jars for storing spices. Other than this, nowadays you will get to see kitchen supplies comes in beautiful jars and bottles. Like jam and dips, if you are using them in routine, you can collect many bottles and jars and you can reuse them for other food supplies to store. They will help you to organize your kitchen beautifully without spending on buying separately. So it's always better to choose the right size of container for different supplies. Think about functionality while choosing containers. Some containers look beautiful just like this ceramic jar, but actually they are heavy and not airtight. Some glass containers look very beautiful and airtight too, but because it's glass, every time I touch this container, there is always a fear of breaking. So if it's not functional, then it's definitely not worth buying. For instance, look at this plastic container. It has easy flow. They are extremely comfortable, easy to use and easy to wash on daily basis. I really like this container because of their easy flow and it doesn't create any mess. Now let's talk about shape of the container. Just like any round object, round container also occupies more space as compared to square and rectangular containers. Round containers always leave dead space unlike square and rectangular one. For instance, you can see when I place round container on my cabinet, I can place only 3. However, I can place 4 square and rectangular containers instead of placing 3 round ones. So by using square containers, you can save so much space in your cabinets and shelf. Apart from this, always try to buy stackable containers, especially if you have tall cabinet and more height. You can easily stack your containers one on one and save lots of space and maximize your kitchen storage. When containers are stackable, you can even place them on narrow shelf. Always try to keep some empty containers in your kitchen. You can use them anytime if you buy any extra grocery item. Nowadays in market you will find different material of containers like glass, plastic, steel, ceramic, etc. Glass containers on positive side, they are very clear and they look beautiful, but you need to be careful every time you use them and also they are very expensive. Ceramic containers also look very attractive, and if you buy ceramic container, make sure they are airtight, otherwise it's difficult to store food supplies in ceramics. On the other hand, steel containers are most durable and also they are easy to clean and handle. However, on the negative side, steel containers are not clear. You need to open and check what is inside. However, you can buy steel containers with a clear window. You can either have all the containers in the same material or mixing them is also a good option. For instance, you can use glass and ceramic jars for pickles and chutneys. Metal container is also a good choice. You can store tea, coffee, sugar, etc. in metal containers. For oil and ghee, I prefer steel or glass bottles. And for other dry food supplies, I am using plastic containers. So it is totally depends on personal choice, what suits you and your kitchen best. Just as a reminder, do check the Meralink website for all these varieties of container. I really hope you liked this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Happy organizing!